Latest crypto and NFT news. How to make money on Web3, top effective strategies in 2023. No one can deny that Web3 is the future of the internet, and it is actively emerging as a billion-dollar industry as months go by. You might think Web3 isn't that massive, but when you enter this industry, you will realize how global and extensive it has gotten over the years. In 2023, the metaverse will go mainstream. NFTs will be valuable assets, and decentralization will slowly dominate. In short, Web3 is coming and you need to be ready for it. This technology is still in its early stage of development, and investors, traders, and even young students are joining the space. What is Web3? Web3 is an advanced decentralized form of the internet that uses blockchain technology. It is a peer-to-peer network system that removes third-party involvement and gives back data ownership to users. For more detailed information and latest news, visit our website.